Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and today I'm going to be talking about my skincare routine, which doesn't really change a lot, and I don't always wash my face before I go to sleep, which is bad, I know. But I get lazy. I'm a lazy person, and if you're part of my Snap fam, you know. Anyways, whenever I don't feel like washing my face, I at least try to take my makeup off with the e.l.f. Cosmetics cleansing cloths. I know some of you probably already guessed it because I have mentioned it so many times on my Instagram and my Snapchat that these are my favorite ones. These are only $3. God, stupid fly. They take off most of my makeup off, even waterproof makeup. It is so easy to remove that. And my eyes are a bit sensitive from like over here. Every time I use a Neutrogena or the Dermae face wipes, they kind of leave my eyes, either it burns a little or they just get very red, and it doesn't happen with these. It leaves my skin very moisturized. It feels so smooth. Like if I get too lazy, which sometimes it happens, that I don't feel like putting any moisturizer right after, it doesn't leave my face dry at all. But of course, everyone's skin type is different, so these might work different for you guys. It might over dry your skin or irritate your skin if you have sensitive skin, but I am telling you, these work so good for me. When I do wash my face, I like to start with the Dermae Hydrating Cleanser, and I only use this to take off any makeup that I have left on my skin, because of course this is gonna take 100% of my makeup off. So I only use this for that because this is pretty good because it kind of foams up a little so I can see the makeup that was left on my skin, because the foam isn't completely white, so I can obviously tell. So this does a really good job with that. And then I always use the St. Ives scrub. You guys can watch my very first skincare routine video and my first monthly favorites video. I mentioned this and I've used this for years. I use this to exfoliate my skin, and I always recommend for you to exfoliate first and then use a cleanser. And I know I just said that I use a cleanser before I exfoliate, but like I said, I just use this to remove the rest of my makeup, and then I exfoliate to remove any oils, dirt, or dead skin cells, and then I super cleanse with the Glam Glow Super Cleanser. This is a cream to foam cleanser that I love so much. And the reason you should exfoliate first is, like I said, to remove any dead skin cells or any dirt or oils you have in your skin, especially if your pores are clogged. That exfoliating is really good to unclog your pores, and this is really good for that. But it does say, and I was just reading this yesterday, that you should use this two to 3 times a day, which I don't recommend that. It's fine for you to just exfoliate once a day, which that's what I do or try to do. It makes my skin feel so smooth. Like my nose feels very rough when I just spat all over when I don't exfoliate. So I love using that because like right now, oh my god, it feels so smooth. So yeah, the exfoliator really opens up your pores, and which is why you should use a cleanser right after, because a cleanser can now really get into your skin and remove anything, like really clean your skin. Okay, you get it. Moving on. Oh yeah, so this one works great to clean your face. It smells very minty, makes your skin feel so fresh. It feels moisturized, and it makes your skin feel so smooth. You've got to try this. The other one I love is the Pure Lisse Cleansing Milk. I know I've talked about this a lot too, but I'm already running out, which is why I started using this one, and I love it too. But these two are so good. I don't really do face masks or any treatments because, well, I don't really know why, but I use some of them just to try them out, but I don't really stick to it. Like, I don't use the one once a week or anything, but I just try them out. But the one that I really love and I do use every now and then is the Glam Glow Flash Mud Brightening Treatment. This is like all of these products that I just mentioned in one, but it's like a little better. And I don't know what it smells like, but I like the smell. I don't know, but yeah, you leave this on for like 20 minutes and it makes your skin feel very smooth. It exfoliates. It's like a scrub. It kind of feels like this one, like the texture. As you're washing it off, it feels like this. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It just feels so good. It is a bit pricey. I think this is a to-go, like the mini size for like 20 something bucks, but the big one is 60 or 70. Yeah, I know, pretty pricey, but that is why I've been trying to make this last, because I really love it and I can stop smelling it. Okay, so right after I cleanse my skin, I use this BareMinerals eye gel. And I was never a big fan of under eye creams, but I started using this one and I really do feel a difference when I apply this. And it's also very pricey, but it's lightweight and it instantly feels very smooth and Hydrating under your eyes. And then these are the creams I use. It depends, obviously. If I wash my face in the morning, I use the day cream. If I wash it at night, I use the night cream. For night cream, I just switch. I either use the e.l.f. Cosmetics or the Dermae, which of course e.l.f. Cosmetics is a lot more cheaper. Well, a lot more inexpensive because the quality, it just feels the same. These are a bit more of a thick consistency, which is good because especially if you have dry skin, when I use the night cream in the morning, my face still feels very moisturizing. It does not feel greasy or oily at all, just hydrating. And same goes with the day cream. When I apply it on, it lasts all day, especially if I apply makeup. With all the powder that I apply on my face, my skin still feels very moisturized. Oh, and I've recently been mixing this Dermae Radiant Glow face oil in my moisturizers. I just put like 4 or 5 drops. So I get some of the cream on the tip of my fingers, and then I get like 4 or 5 drops of this face oil, and it just adds a nice glow. If you see a nice glow on my skin, it's because of this. And I love it. Or you can just mix this with your foundation and it'll do the same thing, just add a little glow. Especially if I don't apply makeup, like right now. I wanted to do with this video without any makeup on so you guys couldn't see what my skin looks like. But yeah, like right now my skin is hydrated, it feels very smooth, and it's glowing. Thanks to all of these products that I mentioned. So I hope this video helped you guys a lot. But like I said earlier, we all have different skin types. Some of these products might not work for you, some of them might. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried any of these or what products you guys have been loving. And if you guys, oh my god, can these flies stop interrupting me? And if you guys want to know what type of skin I have, I get very oily around my nose. Sometimes I get dry from my chin, but that's only if I don't wash my face for like three days in a row. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys have any requests, just leave them down below. And today's notification shout out goes to, oh my god, I just reached 94,000 subscribers. 94,001 subscribers. Oh my god. Look it. Oh my god. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you guys so much. Okay, I'm gonna go to my last English video to give my next shout out. Laura Gonzalez. Thank you, Laura, so much for your lovely comment and all of your love and support. I love you so much. If you want to shout out, just turn on your post notifications by clicking the bell button right next to the subscribe button, and just let me know in the comments down below that you want a shout out. And if you want, also let me know where you're from. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all of your love and support and for helping me reach 94,000 subscribers. Thank you. Okay, I already said that. I will see you in my next video. Bye.